Here's the review of Vtech Spin and Learn Color flashlight. I used to have one of those when I was a kid, but I lost it. So I got a new one at Goodwill. Let's see if it still works. Oh, it still works.
Yellow, blue, let's follow the jungle crew. Time for adventure. Come on, let's go.
It flashes. So we have some numbers, 1, 2, 3, and animals, elephant, alligator, rooster, ladybug,
1.
and lion. What happens if you push? What happens if you push and ladybug?
I'm a ladybug.
It says I'm a ladybug. What else it does? It turns.
Let's go exploring.
White.
3. Red. Hello. Red parrot.
Red. Green. Blue. Yellow.
I'll light up the way. What do you see?
And back to white. So this is probably the coolest thing ever if you have a flashlight toy. Babies don't have a flashlight, but babies have a flashlight toy. Now, if you haven't seen a flashlight toy for years, if you haven't seen this, but sometimes you do. Now, you ever could be able to talk to you guys if you ever noticed that the toy is something you ever seen it. Now, I have to be honest. This toy would be able to break it like that, or I'll have to smash it. It will be not working. Thanks for watching the review of Vtech Spin and Learn Color Flashlight. Bye.